Salam alaikum. Welcome to Zomato's dedicated customer service for United Arab Emirates. I am Yusuf, and how may I assist you today?
Walaikum assalam. I was going through your Zomato UAE mobile application and I was a bit confused whether this food is halal or haram that is served by this restaurant.
I completely understand your concern. Just for the verification purposes, may I take the name associated with this contact number, please?
Yeah, sure. Albina Sheikh.
Okay, verification successful. I would like to inform you that each and every restaurant associated with Zomato UAE serves halal food only. And I would also like to inform you that Zomato depicts in its promotion that restaurants associated with our platform in UAE only serves halal food.
Oh, I wasn't aware about this and I haven't came across any such advertisement.
No issues, ma'am. You can always log into our website or Zomato UAE applications to know more about our promotions, offers, restaurants associated, etc. And I would also like to inform you that you are eligible to get a 50% discount on your first order.
Oh, wow. It's a nice offer. I'll quickly place an order for a beef burger.
Oh, that's wonderful. Do you need any more assistance from our side, ma'am?
No, it has been a great assistant. Shukran.
Shukran. It would be great if you could rate our customer service experience by just clicking on the link received after this call.
Yeah, I'll surely do that. Khuda Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz.
HNN News आपको रखे आगे.
Welcome to the Hungry Heads News. Today, we have the founders of Zomato, Mr. Dipinder Goyal and Gaurav Gupta with us.
Hello, good evening. Good evening. Thank you for inviting us to the Hungry Head News.
Recently, your company has launched an IPO and it's performing very well in the market. And as per the researchers, your company's base is very strong and it will give good returns to the investors in the future.
Yes, even we are surprised with the results, and we have never thought that it would be that much successful.
Congratulations to you on launching a successful IPO.
Thank you, Sakshi.
Recently, what CSR activities have been done by Zomato?
Recently, Zomato has acquired Feeding India, a non-profit working towards the aim of eradicating hunger, malnutrition, and food wastage.
आपके त्याग की वजह से भारत अब तक कोरोना से होने वाले नुकसान को काफी हद तक टालने में सफल रहा है। आप लोगों ने कष्ट सहकर भी अपने देश को बचाया है। मैं आप सबको आदरपूर्वक नमन करता हूं। जय 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 हो जय 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 जय
What made your company do a CSR activity like this?
Feeding India will continue to be a non-profit, and thus all the money raised or brings it will remain with the Feeding India only. And for the mission, providing food for everyone. It is an important step for us as both the organization shares a common goal of ending hunger and food wastage, not just in India, but globally.
Oh, wow, sir. It is indeed a great initiative taken by Zomato. I hope this initiative reaches to the very last person of the country and each and every individual is benefited out of this.
Yes, thank you, Sakshi, we all need your support for that.
So, what are your upcoming plans for CSR activity towards society?
Our team is working on this completely, and we are planning to join hands with a Bangalore-based NGO named Akshay Patra Foundation that provides midday meals to more than 1.8 billion children in India. And the organization, by the means of this program, aims to achieving two most critical UN Sustainable Development Goals: zero hunger and food and quality of education. The organization aim is to direct its CSR activities towards its vision. No child in India should be deprived of education because of hunger.
Wow, Mr. Goyal. I'm truly amazed to know about the future prospects of Zomato and its activities towards the society. After listening to this, my mind has completely changed about Zomato and its culture. I really wish you all the best for the future of Zomato and you as well. So, Mr. Gupta, how is Zomato planning to widen its line of business?
So Zomato has widened its horizon from being a mere food ordering platform to becoming a full stack of solution for foodies and restaurants. Plus, Zomato is eyeing to farm the table segment and has already begun its groundwork to launch it in the near future. We already have started taking some baby steps towards becoming the biggest farm-to-mouth food company in this world. And there is so much more we all need to do for it.
So, how sure you are about the success of this line of business?
Yeah. So as per the business research conducted by us, it was revealed that this segment is highly unorganized. And due to the presence of many entry barriers, none of the startups has been able to make a sizable dent into it. However, to some extent, we at Zomato may not face such challenges as we already have an established sales and distribution channel.
And with this question, we have come to an end for today's event. We hope to see Zomato as leading brand, which it already is, in the future and forever. Thank you very much, Mr. Goyal and Mr. Gupta, for your valuable time.
Thank you.
Thank you.